let's have a look at the cheetah tail. So again, performing this as an underhand pattern with our palms facing up. This will be performed behind the back, and I'll demonstrate it first, then I'll break it down. I'll show you from one more angle. Okay, let's break it down. So as you can see, my hands are behind my back here. Now to make this work, I would suggest using your dominant hand to begin, create a big circle just to your side. A big circle, okay? So as we create this big circle, we need to turn our body to make space for the rope to swing. So notice how I'm swinging the rope on my right side and it exits on my left side here. So I make this big circle, then my opposite hand makes a big circle. And once you're more comfortable, start to make the circle a bit smaller, bring the hands close to the body. So maybe start with big circles, then once you're comfortable, start to make it a bit smaller. Again, I'm looking over my shoulder. Okay. So that is your cheetah tail. Trust me, it takes a lot of practice. You know, it will do a lot on your shoulders. It will tire out your shoulders, especially if you're doing big loops, which is fine as a beginner. But gradually everything's gonna come nice and compact over time, but just trust the process and it will happen. But in terms of like starting the actual cheetah tail, which is what I forgot to mention, the start of the rope out in front of you, imagine you're doing a backward skip. Okay, so you're gonna do a backward skip. Then I want you to think about scooping this hand forwards to create a big circular swing. Okay? So again, the rope is in front of you, swing, and that is your cheetah tail.